In this video, we show how to replace the heatsink and processor in a PowerEdge R670. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the heatsink and processor, loosen the first nut 3 turns and then move the nut diagonally from it. Loosen that one all the way. Then the next nut, and the final one. Then return to the first nut and finish loosening that one. Move the anti-tilt wires into the unlocked position and then lift up on the heatsink and processor. To install the heatsink and processor, align and lower it into the system. Then move the anti-tilt wires back into position. Then tighten the first nut 3 times. Then the one diagonally, tighten all the way. And move to the next one, tighten that one all the way. Diagonally one. Then return to the first nut and finish tightening that one. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R670, visit dell.com/support.